the other thing to think about just with quants at banks, and this gets a little bit away from like the question you just asked, but the other thing to think about quants at banks is just that every part of banks is becoming more and more quant, so to speak, right? And when you look at a lot of the dialogue coming out of some of these leading banks in New York now, like a lot of it is just about how do we build businesses that are like banking as a service is like that keyword that like is being thrown out increasingly now, right? It's like I think banks are becoming hip to the idea that a lot of the traditional like alphas and like idiosyncrasies and illiquidities in the market that we used to be able to capture just by virtue of our position in these markets are kind of evaporating. And so what we need to do is figure out like how do we provide systematic value for clients, and how do we make like all of the work that we've done and all the knowledge that we've accrued something that's accessible to people that they can like pay for, and then kind of layer in on top of whatever other work that they're doing and whatever other services we're